What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Shopify Dropshipping. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your Shopify and log in into your account. Then what you should do right now is to go to the dashboard right here and go down till you find settings. After that you should click on payments option. Then now you can simply click on add payment method, and after you click on add payment method, as you can see like this one right here, it has this option activate. You can click on activate and connect your PayPal account to start accepting payments on Shopify. So every payment method you add, you will have to activate it like this one right here. So now let's get back again and click on add payment method. Now you can simply go into this search bar and type whatever payment method you want. So I'm gonna type here MasterCard, for example. Then I'm gonna also add let's say Visa. As you can see, I have added it also, and now I have another option. I can also add another payment method. Let's say that I will add PayPay, for example. And after you add them, you can simply activate them all. Then once you activate them, when you go back again into your payments partition, you will find that they will be here activated. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.